Vande Mataram, children. Today in science biology part, we are starting with chapter number 13, that is, why do we fall ill? So let's have a look about it. How do we fall ill? Children, we know that our body is made up of cells, means the basic unit or the fundamental unit of our body is cells. Cells combine and form tissue, tissues combine and form organ, and organs combine and form organ system. Okay, so here we understand that each system of our body is interconnected. Okay, like our heart is beating, lungs are breathing, kidneys filtering urine, brain is thinking. So every system is connected to one another. Now if there is some of the problem or there is some lack in the functioning of the cells or tissue, then there will be affected the person's health. Okay, so if there is malfunctioning, or we can say there is anything which prevent proper functioning of the cells or tissue, then the functioning of this system may also hamper and the health of that particular individual may be affected. So children, first we are going to understand the terms health and disease. Health is a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. Means a healthy person can be the one who is well enough functioning physically, mentally and socially. So that can be called as a health or a healthy person. What is meaning of disease? Disease means a disturbed ease. Our easiness is disturbed, means being uncomfortable. One or more system of the body will change, give rise to symptoms. Symptoms मतलब हमें indications मिलेगी कुछ, जैसे कि cough होना, loose motions, pus formation, headache, fever, breathlessness, vomiting, fits, unconsciousness, inflammation, swelling and general effects. A doctor look for the basis of symptom. अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो वो symptoms पता करते हैं. Symptoms देख के they try to diagnose the disease. Diseases are basically of two types, that is acute disease and a chronic disease. This we are going to see in much detail later on. So first we have to understand the two terms, that is health and disease. So here first we are going to understand about significance of health. Significance means importance of health. क्यों जरूरी है? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, as I told. ये आपको definition अच्छे से याद करनी है. For a healthy lifestyle or a life cycle, person needs to have a balanced diet. Yes, कैसे वो healthy रहेगा? अगर अच्छा proper diet लेगा then only. So by taking balanced diet, has to take exercise, lives in a proper shelter, takes enough sleep and have good hygiene. Okay, sanitation, hygienic condition में रहना है. So first, the health of all organism will depend on their surrounding or their environment. Yes, ऐसा नहीं है कि health मतलब अपनी खुद की ही health, because we are a social animal. We live in society, community. So our surrounding is also having a very important role. So surrounding should also be hygiene and clean. Then only we will have a mental peace. So mentally, physically and socially we will be healthy. Next, public cleanliness is important for individual health. If no agency is ensuring that garbage is collected and disposed, if no one takes responsibility of clearing the drains, तो क्या होगा? यू नो चिल्ड्रन कि अगर कोई गार्बेज कलेक्ट नहीं करेगा, अगर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम की कोई प्रॉपर केयर नहीं करेंगे, क्लियरिंग ऑफ द ड्रेन्स, देन देयर विल बी द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ पुअर हेल्थ increases. Okay, we need food for health and food will have to earn by doing work. हमें ऐसे ही खाना नहीं मिल जाता, we need to do work for it. So for this, opportunity to do work has to be available. Good economic condition and jobs are therefore needed for individual health. Then we need to be happy in order to be truly healthy. अगर हमें healthy रहना है तो हमें internally, mentally happy रहना पड़ेगा. If we mistreat each other and are afraid of each other, we cannot be healthy or happy. Social equality and harmony are important for individual health. So coming to personal and community issues, both matter for health. Yes, ऐसा नहीं है कि ज़रूरी कि healthy रहने के लिए सिर्फ अपना देखो personal health. No, community issue and community health sanitation is also very important. Personal issues includes the issue with family members, difficulty in studies, financial problems, sickness of close relatives, while community issues मतलब include bully, rude behaviors of neighbors, unethical and immoral practices carried out in your surrounding, no liberty to practice your culture, okay, and many more. That will come under community issues. Here you can see stop microbes, use good hygiene. So if our surrounding is clean and hygiene and sanitized, then we can live a healthy life. Yes, coming to distinctions between healthy and disease free. क्या healthy और disease free दोनों में क्या difference है? See, both healthy and disease free are states of human who are normal. मतलब वो दोनों ही normal होते हैं. A healthy person can be disease free. जो healthy है वो बिना disease के हो सकता है. But a disease free person need not be healthy. कि ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि disease free है तो वो healthy भी हो ही. That can be healthy also or unhealthy also. So let's have a look on this difference. See, first point, healthy and disease free के बीच में. First is, it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Healthy मतलब. And disease free means it is a state of absence of any kind of discomfort or dearrangement of functioning of body. Second point, it refers not only to the individual but also its social and community environment. And here disease free मतलब it refers to individual, वो individual level पे है. Third, a healthy person is able to perform normal under given situation. वो normally function कर सकता है, healthy है ना. Here a disease free person may or may not be healthy. For example, being able to do graceful positions while dancing. ये conditions है एक dancer के लिए. And here अगर disease free है तो